We were sent this awesome indoor golf putting mat. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the ball return for you guys and tell you a little bit more about it and then do a demo so you can see it in action. So as long as you have about 10 feet of space, you can set this up inside. If you wanna use it outside, you totally can, but I do recommend storing it inside. Okay, so here there are numbers on the wooden pieces, and we're gonna go ahead and set up that ball return. I'm glad there is that little backsplash because you could see this could hit the wall otherwise. So easy to use. You can definitely flatten out. We just took this out of the box, so it's not quite flat yet. You will need to kind of flatten it a little bit when you first start using it, but it's great for all ages and all levels of golf, whether you're a beginner or you're advanced. Just a fun way to putt. And then when you're done, just roll it up. Stores really, really easily and doesn't take up a ton of space. If you want to putt from the convenience of your home, I think you're gonna really love this putting mat.